सर बोलते हैं जहां रवि न पहुंचे वहां कवि पहुंचे। जो 68 साल से तमिलनाडु तक कोई नहीं पहुंचे थे, आज हमारे यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने तमिलनाडु पहुंचकर आज जो 68 साल से जो मूवमेंट चल रहा था लोगों का, जो 7 कम्युनिटीज कैटेगरीज है वो सब मिलकर ये कॉमन नाम रखने के लिए जो उनका संघर्ष चल रहा था 60-70 साल से, उसका वो सपना पूरा हो रहा है। और कम से कम आज 25 से 40 लाख लोगों को सुकून की नींद आती है। सर आज सर स्पीकर सर, आई स्टैंड हियर इन स्ट्रांग सपोर्ट ऑफ द Constitution Scheduled Caste Order Amendment Bill 2021 brought by our Social Justice and Empowerment Minister Sri Thawarchand Gehlot ji. I thank our beloved Honorable Prime Minister also for this purpose, and I thank the Government of Tamil Nadu also. A thorough study has been done. Many queries were raised by RJA also. All queries were properly replied by Tamil Nadu government, and their job was also very right, sir. Today, these 7, sir, bill replaces entry for 7 Devendra Kulatham community with their heritage name, that is Devendra Kulal Vellalar, which includes community that are listed separately within the Act. These are Kudumbaman, Pannadi, Kalladi, Kadayan, Devendra Kulathan, Pallan, and Vadirian communities. Now the separate entries have been omitted. Speaker, sir, it is not just mere change of the name. There was evidence in the history and literature about the existence of the name Devendra Kula Vellalar, and that is the reason the government is doing everything to set the record straight. It has been long pending demand since 5-6 decades by the Dalit movement to change the nomenclature of the caste, assigning a new name, Devendra Kulal Vellalar, by the member of 7 communities, which would give them honor, dignity, respectability in the society with this name. Sir, I would like to express here that Narendra Modi ji say that it is not favor that Modi ji-led government is doing to the community, but it is our duty for the community, as our beloved Prime Minister believes in doing what he says. I would like to mention here that our PM has said in the rally in the Madurai just a year back that he is committed to give justice, opportunities and social harmony to the community. And today we are witnessing this happening क्योंकि मोदी जी जो कहते हैं वो करते हैं. Sir, Speaker, sir, I would like to tell about the history of this community. The member of this Devendra Kulam caste claim they gained their name because they are the descendant of Lord Indra, king of Devas. Leaders of their community were brought to the temple with great fanfare. They would be riding on an elephant with white umbrella, and there would be trump and drum players. There were the privileges. These privileges were only the ancient Tamil king and were passed on their descendants. The Devendra Kulatham community now has scheduled caste status. This large drop in status, history explains how their status dropped so drastically. Researchers suggest that they are the descendant of Tamil king who ruled what is now Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, part of Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra during an ancient periods, and Tamil Nadu up to the 16th century. After the invention of Vijayanagar and Maratha Empire, Tamil kings and their community were relieved of their titles and land. They become agricultural labor on the farm which they once owned. This new situation continued during the 17th century until the mid-20th century. Devendra Kulalam now lives in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Karnataka and Sri Lanka also. Speaker sir, I would like to put some more light on this community, which is something like my community, Banjar community. I can relate myself with this community as most of the people of this caste are involved in agriculture. The people who live in the villages have their own self-government. They have special priests for temples, barbers, cloth washers, and medical workers in the village. These people also have their own temples that are called king temples. They are also priests in the villages, temples and shrines exclusively owned by these people. That is the reason why Modi ji has said this community has a rich heritage and culture. Sir, this community, entire community will be grateful to our Narendra Modi ji. And there are some issues in my Karnataka also, like what one of my colleagues of Maharashtra MP said about this Dhangar community, which is called as Kurbas in Karnataka, and Koli Samaj of Karnataka. They were to have a big agitation in Karnataka on 27th of this month. Because of COVID, they deferred. Those Koli Samaj and this Dhangar Samaj, which is called as Kurba, those also should be included in the scheduled tribe list, sir. And also, this already government of Karnataka has recommended to include them in ST category, and this is being studied by RGI. They also raised some queries. All have been replied. I request through you to our tribal minister to include this Dhangar, this is called as Kurba community, and Koli Samaj in scheduled tribe list, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me opportunity. Dhanyawad.
Dr. Amar Singh ji.